If you want an exercise for your quadriceps, the top of your thighs, you can do this quadricep extension using just a regular chair. You can use some ankle weights, or if you don't have ankle weights and you just have regular weight, then put that in between your feet. You'll want to have tall posture with your stomach tight and put the ankle weight in between your feet. Just grab it with your feet together. Again, tall posture and up and down with your feet. When the ankle weight touches the ground, you know to stop, of course, but try and hover so that the ankle weight is slightly above the ground.